All right, y'all, so I'm here to talk about the most talked about gel right now, which is the Eco Gold. Everybody's been using this gel and awaiting for its release, and it's finally here. I know I'm a little late because a lot of people have already tried it and made YouTube videos about it, but I'm here, better late than never. So let's talk about this Eco Gel. Let me show you how it looks first. So it's golden color, so automatically I was like, I'm buying this, not only because it's a limited edition, but it's my favorite color. It's gold, and I absolutely was attracted to the packaging, and I was super excited to try it. I got the 16 ounce and I ordered it off of their website. When I ordered it and I was like, dang, $16 for 16 ounces, that's a lot of money for a gel, okay? So the shipping was free, and I ended up paying $32 for 2 of these gels because my intention was to do a giveaway. I don't know if I'm gonna do one anymore, and I'll tell you why. So I ordered the gel, and it took them over 7 days just to ship it, okay? So it took almost 2 weeks just to get the gel. First mistake. Second mistake, I got the gel and I was so excited to open it, and if you follow me on Instagram, you saw in my stories that it was a huge disappointment. So I got the gels and both of them were busted. Okay, there's gel all over the cap, there was gel coming off the sides, and there was this black stuff right here. Not cool. Not only one, but both of them were busted. This is the second one. It's open, there's black stuff on it, it's leaking out. I take that back. I said that they were $16 a piece, they were actually $18 a piece, so I ended up paying $36 in total. For $36 in total, there should definitely be a lot more care with packaging this gel, okay? Like, really, come on. So, it gets worse, it gets worse. Nearly 12 people replied to my story and told me that this is not a problem that was just for me. It was actually a problem for a lot of other people as well, so the gels came busted in their packaging too. So it cannot possibly be the mailman. Okay, I was quick to blame our mailman. That wasn't the case. So clearly it's something that EcoStyle is doing. So a lot of people are, you know, supporters of that gel, of that company, and I'm one of them. Like, my very first YouTube video was about Eco. So, I don't think it's cool, and I don't think it's cool that they're not even addressing the issue. So, Eco, do better, please, and thank you. So, I promised to give y'all a review of this gel. That was the beginning of the review. I didn't have good first impressions with the gel so far, but let's see how it works on my hair. So, I just washed my hair, and it's probably dry by now because it's been in this Aqua's hair turban, and it's nice, soft, and fluffy, but I'm gonna have to kind of dampen it a little bit more because I know that the Eco Gel is a little thick and it has to go through my hair thoroughly. So let's wet my hair a little bit more and get it popping. So let's get it open. Too bad it's already been open, but I'm taking that seal off of the gel first, if I can ever find something to open it. I'm not even gonna waste my time taking it off. I'm just gonna unscrew the top, but just know that it does flip open. So maybe that is the issue, that this gel flips open, the top of it does. So it smells good. It has like a kind of artificial perfumey smell. The actual gel itself is gold, as expected. It has a nice thick consistency, and it has that shimmer in it. So I'm hoping that this doesn't produce flakes or anything white in my hair. I'm not gonna pair this gel with any other product. I don't like using any other product with my Eco Gels ever. So I'm just gonna use it on my own, so you're gonna get a true review. So let's see what it says. It says that the Max Shine is a 10, the Max Hold is a 10. It's for all hair types, and it's totally alcohol free. It says that it has olive oil and shea butter and black castor oil, as well as flaxseed. And it says that it shines, holds, nourishes, moisturizes, repairs, promotes hair growth, no flakes, no tack, and it's anti-itch. That's a lot of promises. It says everything your hair needs in one gel. Eco Gold Styling Gel brings together the greatest elements of our top products. It has 100% pure olive oil. That helps moisturize your scalp, while shea butter protects every strand, and black castor oil and flaxseed repair and promote hair growth. Like our gels, it will leave your hair weightless, yet superior hold and healthy shine. All right, Eco, that's a lot of promises. Let's see how your gel works. I'm expecting great things. So you already know how I like to do. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair. I'm gonna detangle, I'm gonna apply some gel. I like to apply a good bit. And I can tell you already, right now, that it has a lot of slip. You can tell that the hold is really strong just because my hair is still straight, especially in that back section. This is my finest hair right here. This is how it's looking so far. And I like to scrunch it up. All right, so it's pretty much performing like their other gels, with the exception of it's a little more, it feels a little creamier on my hair, so a little bit more moisturizing to the touch. So this is how it's looking so far. So I have to say so far that I really do like it. It's working really nicely on my hair in the back. Let's see how it works on my hair in the middle, because it gets a little rough right there. So I love how my hair is taking this gel. It has a lot of hold, so it's really stretching out my curls and giving it some weight. And it's also really moisturizing, like I said. I love it so far. So here are my curls all shingled. Nice and defined, moisturized feeling. So far I love it. I can't wait to see how it does when it's dried. So I'll be back whenever my hair is 100% dry. I'm actually gonna sit under a dryer, so I'll be able to time just how long it takes for this gel to dry. I'll be right back. All right, so it's been 45 minutes since I sat under the dryer, and it is 100% dry, which is typical because it usually takes right around 40 to 45 minutes, maybe sometimes even 30. It just depends on how much water I actually put in my hair. So that's really typical and normal. I did not take the gel cast out yet. So let's do that right now and see how it comes out. So y'all know I always spray my Uncle Funky's Daughter on my hands, rub it together. That's Uncle Funky's Daughter Glossy, by the way. Use the praying hands method. Almost took my eye out. So this is how it's looking. Really nice. These are typical results that I get with Eco. But it does feel a lot more hydrating than the other gels. Gel cast out of the hair, and this is the gel cast in the hair. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is first day wash and go hair. Nice, define and moisturize. Very bouncy and soft to the touch, but it has a good hold. So yeah, I cannot complain. I absolutely love the Eco Gold. I definitely recommend getting it. One final look at the Eco Gold. Go ahead and get you some if you didn't already. This is not a sponsored video. I'm pretty sure y'all are happy about that. And if you did try the Eco Gold, tell me, what are your thoughts on it? Comment down below. Are you cool with a gel at 16 ounces being $18? Do you think it's worth it? I honestly don't think that it was worth the price. I mean, it's nothing that the other gels don't do. I do like how my hair feels and how it came out. But just to say, like, for them to up the price that much on this size, it wasn't necessary at all. And the way it came busted and all that, I mean, I love the gel, but to pay $18 for it, I just feel like they just needed at a regular price. It's not that serious, okay? It's just not. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to comment down below. Have you tried the Eco Gold? And if you haven't, would you try it? Let me know in the comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.